And viewers, fasten your seatbelts. We're moments away from the toss and the epic clash will begin in just a few moments. We're getting you live coverage from Dubai to Delhi to other parts of the country. This is the blockbuster Champions Trophy finals between the modern day gladiators, India and New Zealand. Will India, riding on an unbeaten streak, complete their dominance and claim the cup? Or will the Kiwis once again pull off a giant killing act like they did in 2019 and in 2021? The stakes are massive. The tension is sky high. And the cricketing world is on fire. Before I go across to Karishma, who's joining us from Dubai, let's go across to our reporters who are panning across, the country, getting us the live mood of fans. We have Arunil joining us, we have Pradeep Datta joining us, and also Adib, and all of them are gearing up to watch the match, to soak in the energy. And look at them, looking all sharp in the Team India jerseys. Going across to Arunil. Arunil, you have fans with you. There's a lot riding on this match. Take us through the mood and the energy on ground.
Well, Sagarik, at present I'm reporting from a house in Mumbai. The latest update is that India has lost the toss. New Zealand has elected to bat first. With me are these fans, excited India! Fans for this crucial final game. We'll speak to you. You tell us, what are you excited about the most today about the final game?
We have already defeated New Zealand. I love New Zealand. अगर आज इंडिया के जगह किसी और के साथ खेल रहे होते, I would have supported them. But against India, and as rightly said, Roko, Rohit Kohli, अगर इनको रोक सके तो रोको न्यूजीलैंड.
We'll also speak to more fans over here. This tournament was supposed to happen in Pakistan. Now, what the board has done, what Indian team has done, we called them to Dubai. We defeated them in Dubai, and we took away their final from Pakistan as well. Now, final is happening in Dubai. How excited you are about the match?
I'm happy with this team a lot, and I'm sure this time also. अभी इनको न्यूजीलैंड को हराया है already. फिर से हारने आ गए हैं और हम लोग बहुत excited हैं.
आपसे बात करेंगे. आप बताएं कि आप कितने एक्साइटेड हो. कल ही विमेंस डे हुआ. विमेंस डे का गिफ्ट मिलने वाला है आप लोगों को कोहली और रोहित शर्मा की तरफ से.
Actually, this couldn't be a better day for the match to happen because all the women are more and more excited to cheer for India today, and we are sure that India is going to beat New Zealand by a far run.
Speaking about Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli
from Mumbai, Arunil, I'll come back to you. Let's also go to Delhi and to Lucknow, where fans are waiting, and Pradeep Datta coming to you. But first up, let's also give our viewers that update. Arunil also broke it first that New Zealand has won the toss. Going across to Pradeep. Pradeep, New Zealand has won the toss. A lot of people will decode a lot about how the toss could play a huge role in today's outcome. But just tell us about the energy and the message that fans want to send to the team.
Sagarika, right from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Delhi to Dubai, it's all about excitement. India! 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 क्या लगता है आज इंडिया कमाल करने वाला है?
Yes, कब तो हमारा विराट कोहली आज पक्का सेंचुरी करेगा.
विराट कोहली पक्का सेंचुरी करेगा.
गिल भी करेगा.
करेगा? कुछ गा के कुछ सुना रहा?
आज रोहित शर्मा सेंचुरी मारेगा.
रोहित शर्मा हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब. आज के दिन मन में विश्वास पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे
कामयाब आज के दिन.
भारत माता की जय. आवाज जानी चाहिए दुबई तक.
भारत माता की जय.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे टीम इंडिया के लिए?
टीम इंडिया जीतेगी, यही कहना चाहेंगे. गुड विशेस है पूरी इंडिया की टीम इंडिया के साथ.
यानी कि बदला ले लेंगे फिर से.
कप तो हमारा है, न्यूजीलैंड तो ऐसी ही जाएगी.
कप तो हमारा है, न्यूजीलैंड तो हारा है. दैट इज द मैसेज फ्रॉम दिस साइड. क्या कहेंगे आप? कुछ गा के सुनाना चाहते हैं? और कुछ नहीं. जीत के कुछ क्या कहेंगे जीत के लिए?
Revenge will be delivered sweet.
Revenge will be delivered sweetly.
Yes.
And this is what India is going to do.
Yes.
You think who is going to play best? Because already Kohli is in good form. We have seen that in semis and quarterfinals he has played so well.
I hope Rohit Sharma.
Your Rohit Sharma is going to.
Yeah.
There are not many Rohit Sharma fans here.
Yeah. Same. Yeah.
So what is your message? कैसे जोर से बोलोगे इंडिया के लिए यहाँ से? Cheer up कैसे करोगे?
इंडिया.
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डाल, चाहे कितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी. इंडिया. सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी.
So this is where Adib is joining us, and Adib, I can see a lot of young cricket fans standing next to you. They're holding the Tiranga and they're ready to cheer for the team. New Zealand has won the toss and they've opted to bat. But take us through what the young fans of, Captain Sharma's team have to say.
Well, definitely, Sagarika, see all these young fans, they are here to celebrate the festival of cricket. They are here to celebrate Team India. And you can see all these young fans holding Indian flags, cheering up for India, cheering up for the Team India, praising that which the Team India brings back the world, the Champions Trophy with them. What are your expectations from Rohit and Virat for today's match?
I have expectation from Rohit and Virat as they have a good strategy and they will win the match. And our Indian team will win the match because we have many good batters like Rohit and Virat and many bowlers also, spin bowlers like Mohammad Shami and these all. So we have many expectations from our Indian team and India will win the match.
न्यूजीलैंड ने टॉस जीता है, पहले बैटिंग करने जा रहे हैं. क्या उम्मीद है, कितना जोश है इस बार टीम इंडिया के लिए?
Very hope India will win. India is in full of fantastic movement and we will win. और पूरा हिंदुस्तान तैयारी बैठा हुआ है दीपावली मनाने के 4 दिन बाद.
But let's also, viewers, now go across to Jammu and Kashmir because the men in uniform are also holding up the Tiranga, and there you have Suhail standing by with our forces who are cheering for Team India. Suhail, it's over to you.
Well, the josh and excitement is clearly high here. We are joined by the Indian Army jawans who are gathered here and they are cheering up for Team India today. These are real heroes for coastal Kashmir. They have got this break, in fact, right now, and there is special screening for these Army jawans. They are cheering for Team India. The final clash is about to start between India and New Zealand in fact, at International Cricket Stadium in Dubai, and these Army jawans are excited about this match, about this final match of this Champions Trophy. We'll speak to these Army jawans and see what sort of expectations they have from India team today. आज विराट कोहली और रोहित शर्मा से क्या उम्मीद है?
हमारे को पूरी उम्मीद है, बहुत अच्छा खेलेंगे और जीतेंगे भी. इंडिया.
और अभी जो गेम शुरू होने वाली है, कितने खुश हैं आप इस गेम को लेकर?
हम सभी बहुत खुश हैं और हम सब बहुत उम्मीद से देख रहे हैं कि इंडिया जब बैटिंग करेगी तो बहुत बढ़िया बैटिंग करेंगी और जीत के दिखाएगी.
अभी जो ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड है हमारी टीम का, लगातार इस टूर्नामेंट जीत के आ रहे हैं, तो कितने खुश हैं और आज क्या होंगे?
जैसे कि आप देखते आ रहे हैं कि हम इस श्रृंखला में पिछले बार जीतते ही आ रहे हैं. अभी हम तो कोई मैच नहीं आ रहे. फिलहाल हम देख रहे हैं कि न्यूजीलैंड टॉस जीतकर पहले बल्लेबाजी करने का निर्णय, तो हम ये चाहते हैं कि जो हमारा बॉलिंग सेटअप है, जैसे मोहम्मद शमी और जैसे वरुण चक्रवर्ती हो, अच्छा एक बॉलिंग अच्छा करे और इनका जो ओपनर बल्लेबाज है रविंद्र, और उनको जल्दी से बैकफुट पर लाए और हमारे आने वाले बल्लेबाजों पर इतना परिश्रम न करें और इनको 200-250 के बीच में समेट दें.
200-250 के बीच में समेटना चाहते हैं न्यूजीलैंड को. कौन से बॉलर आपको लगता है कि आज अच्छा प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं? किससे ज्यादा आपको उम्मीद है?
मोहम्मद शमी, वरुण चक्रवर्ती, कुलदीप यादव.
ठीक,
हाँ जी.
और बैटिंग में
रोहित शर्मा, सोरन
पक्के. विराट कोहली से क्या उम्मीद है? लगातार धड़ाधड़ उनका परफॉर्मेंस
अच्छे तो विराट कोहली करता ही है.
Men in uniform who are cheering on the men in blue, and like we told you, expectations are riding high. Let's now go across to Bhopal from where Govind is standing by to get us the latest. You saw the fans cheering. You saw how the forces are loudly chanting India, India. It's also about prayers and best wishes. In Bhopal, what is the mood there? Because I can see fans also lining up, at temples offering prayers. Govind, it's over to you.
Yeah, absolutely. Everywhere across the nation, we're witnessing the pictures, how people are praying and wishing for the tremendous victory against New Zealand. And losing toss doesn't matter. In fact, it's somewhat awesome for India because many times it happens that many teams who wins the toss lose the final match. Here you see these are Nariyal, where the depiction of the names of that playing 11. We can see Varun Chakrabarti, Rohit Sharma, Shami, Shreyas Iyer, Kohli. Everybody is in fact depicted with their name on these Nariyal. We will definitely get the reaction of these people who are just praying.
टॉस तो हार गई इंडिया। देखिए हमने भगवान से जो मांगा वो पूर्ण हुआ है। आप कहा था देखिए 3 घंटे से आप हम लोग को देख रहे हैं, वो भगवान ने हमारी पहली मनोकामनाएं पूर्ण करी है, तो निश्चित तौर पे आज हमारी सभी मनोकामनाएं पूर्ण होंगी, क्योंकि हम लोग दिल से कुछ मांगते हैं तो भगवान हमको जरूर देता है। आज हमने दिल से भगवान से विजय श्री का पतंग माना है और चैंपियन ट्रॉफी हम जरूर से।
कुछ ही देर पहले इन्होंने ये दावा किया था कि इंडिया टॉस हारेगी लेकिन मैच जीतेगी, फाइनल जीतेगी, और वो विश पहली इनकी पूरी हो गई है। इन नारियलों पर जो लिखा गया है, जो मन्नत मांगी गई है, वो सब का असर अब दिखता हुआ नजर आ रहा है। पहला दावा इनका सही साबित हुआ है कि इंडिया टॉस हारेगी लेकिन फाइनल जीतेगी, एंड दैट exactly happened. We witnessed
there is the love that they have for the team is boundless. Aruni, I'll come to you because we'll also talk about what the fans in Bhopal have been saying. Some say we prayed for India to lose the toss because we know India will win the match. I'll come and I'll discuss that aspect with you, but first up let's also go across to Kolkata, another cricket loving city, and I can see fans there in their jerseys holding up posters. Some were also beating the drums right behind you. Ritik, take us through the live action.
When it comes about cricket and cheering for the men in blue, Kolkata always come first. You can see a huge number of spectators over here. We have gathered at the mall where we can see that the people are cheering for the men in blue. We are all hoping for a wonderful cricket and India will win. क्या है भाई आज किसकी बल्लेबाजी देखने की इंतजार? मैं तो रवि जडेजा ऑलराउंडर आज 5 विकेट लेगा और बैटिंग भी करेगा। हर किसी के पास एक मौका है। आप किसके लिए चेक करने वाले हैं? क्या लग रहा है आज भारत के It seems like the celebration has already started. This man is holding card of showing that 6 and 4s all are here. It seemingly there are many people are wearing jersey. I would ask people come and show how they are cheering. The celebration has been over here. As you rightly pointed out, when it comes about cricket, of Saurav Ganguly, Dada, and history that people are cheering for the country. क्या लग रहा है किस तरीके से टॉस को हार गया, लेकिन क्या लग रहा है अब क्या उम्मीद है?
The stadium in Dubai, which will give more power and more energy to our players who are gearing up for the finals. Arunil, coming across to you now as not just someone who covers who covers politics and who understands cricket in and out. Do tell us about the significance of today's toss and how it will impact the outcome. Tell us also about the lineup and what can one look out for.
Well, speaking about toss, Sagarika, basically Rohit Sharma is creating a kind of a record for himself because he hasn't won a toss in the last 13 ODIs that he has captained it. But with respect to result is concerned, it hasn't impacted a very strong Indian lineup because we have won irrespective of losing the toss. In fact, in the last match, crucial game against Australia's semi-final, Rohit Sharma lost the toss but said that I don't mind losing the toss because I was okay with batting or bowling as well. Such is the balance or nature of this strong Indian lineup that they can win. Their winnability doesn't depend on the toss itself. Now with me are these fans. You tell us a kind of a record being made by Rohit Sharma, but with respect to our victory ratio, that hasn't been impacted. We have always won against top teams.
See, if we were getting the trophy on the tosses, we would have felt bad. But we are getting the trophy on the wins. It's the match performance. So Rohit bhai, jitne toss haarne haro, हमें कोई गम नहीं, बट जैसे ही टॉस हार रहे हो मैच जीतते रहो.
And Sagarika, with respect to team combination also, it is an interesting aspect that needs to be discussed. Not many times India has played 4 spinners, but they have gone with 4 spinners since the New Zealand game. And Varun Chakravarti had shined during the New Zealand game, picking 5 wickets. Indian spinners, again, a lot will be dependent on them. Now, with me as a young fan as well, do you expect that Women's Day gift will be given to you by Virat Kohli, by Rohit Sharma and the Indian team?
Oh, 100%. I have complete confidence in our team and obviously we're going to win.
we are going to win, and India clearly are the favourites over here. Yes, New Zealand has been seen as as a very goodwill team. Many of the Indian fans love New Zealand for the team spirit that they basically show on the field. But when it comes to Virat Kohli, when it comes to Rohit Sharma, clearly they are the favourites this time. Third Champions Trophy is on the line. They're expected to win this all-important trophy. World T20 as well. We won the final. Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli basically bowed out on a high after winning a crucial trophy. Here as well, they basically are. Virat Kohli is making runs. Rohit Sharma is also delivering for the team. But age is catching up. Now, whether they will again retire on a high or whether they will play another World Cup, that is not clear.
Arunil, as you bring us the flavor, the energy, the mood, let me also go across to Bengaluru from where Neha is joining us. And Neha, we've often seen how the youngest cricket fans, the ones there, who are all padded up, who are with their bats and their helmets, they seem to be like an encyclopedia on cricket trivia. Right now, Matt Henry has been, ruled out. Many have said this could be a body blow for New Zealand. How do the young fans there analyze this? If you could just take that question across to those young cricket enthusiasts who are with you.
Well, yes, in fact, of course, it's all excitement over here in Bengaluru, as the fans are all ready to cheer for Team India. That's, of course, taking on a big team of New Zealand right now. Of course, while the toss has happened, New Zealand is batting first. It's all excitement. I want to ask you, Matt Henry from the New Zealand team had an injury. He's come back now. He's known to be, he's known to really crush games. I want to ask you, how are you seeing this?
It is a bit scary for us, India team, but we have Varun Chakravarti, so he'll come back for us.
All right. Well, of course, let's go. The young fans here all excited, saying that Varun Chakravarti, in fact, Matt Henry is no match there. Of course, I want to ask you, how excited are you for this game? It's a very big game for the team.
Yeah, it's a really big game since it's like the last ODI match for Virat Kohli and many more. So it's going to be a very interesting match since it's a final of a really big ICC trophy.
Okay. My last question to you. Many people are saying that, this could probably be the last ODI, like you mentioned, for Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma together. That ROCO factor, is that going to be very important?
Yeah, if they leave, it'll be little like, I can't explain it.
Oh, okay. All right. Can we hear one last cheer for the team, please? Let's go, India! 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 Excited, of course, in Bengaluru here are the young cricketers as they're pinning their hopes, of course, that India would, in fact, script history yet again.
And let's see if fans in Delhi, Neha, can give the young fans in Bengaluru a competition when it comes to cheering for Team India. Before I wind up and before I head into a short break, Pradeep, coming to you, if you could get the fans there with you to send out a loud cheer, a loud message to their favourite cricketers, to Team India as they gear up for this epic face-off.
See, right now I want to tell you one thing. If I'm wearing jersey, what that indicates? It indicates it's not only the 11 people who are playing there in Dubai, but it's about 1.4 billion Indians. Loud cheer. Jeetega bhai, jeetega. India! Jeetega, jeetega. India jeetega. Teri jeet, meri jeet. Teri haar, meri haar. Sun le mere yaar. Jaan pe bhi khelenge. Tere liye le lenge. Sabse dushman. India! India!
And on that, electrifying atmosphere from across the country, thanking all our reporters who are joining us, Neha, Pradeep Datta, Adib, Ritik, Arunil, and everyone who joined us to get us the mood, the excitement and the energy. We are all keeping our fingers crossed. It's the mother of all battles. Taking a short break. We'll be back with more news and updates.